Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install BodySpace for fitness community step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type BodySpace app and press enter. Look for the official bodybuilding.com website in the search results. Click on the link to the bodybuilding.com site. Once on the site, locate the BodySpace section. Scroll down to find the download options for the BodySpace app. If you are using a mobile device, select the App Store specific to your device. For iOS users, choose the App Store. For Android users, select the Google Play Store. Click the download button to start the installation process. Once the app has downloaded, locate the app on your device. Tap to open the BodySpace app. If you already have a bodybuilding.com account, choose the option to log in. Input your username and password in the designated fields. If you don't have an account, look for the option to create a new account. Fill in your personal information as required. Make sure to set a strong, memorable password. Once you've created your account, log into the app. Upon logging in, navigate through the app's interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Join or create a community group based on your fitness interests. Engage with the community by posting updates and sharing workouts. Explore the app to customize your fitness goals and track your progress. Make sure to enable notifications to stay updated with community activities. Take advantage of the app's resources, including workout plans and nutrition advice. Now you are ready to connect with the BodySpace fitness community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.